Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 40 millimeters, and make this sketch here. We'll put the dimensions later, okay? Now go to sketch dimension, the distance here 60 millimeters, the distance here 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters here, and 10 millimeters here. And the distance between these two lines here is 20 millimeters. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, the direction here, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 40 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Now go to Fillet, the type here, change to round fillet, select this face here, press OK. Now go to Fillet again, and here select the fillet, the type. Select this edge and this edge here. The fillet here is 20 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to create and select hole. Select this face here and click here on this arc to make this hole in the same center of this arc here. The diameter is 20 millimeters and the extent here is all. Press OK. Now make the same but in this face here. Select the holes, select this face, select this arc here, the extend here, all, and press OK. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.